Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Study with Madhuri. In today's video, we will learn about diphthongs. OI and OY are the diphthongs words. Let's understand the meaning first. A diphthong is a combination of two vowel sounds or vowel letters. The diphthongs OI and OY have the same sound. Here OI and OY are the vowel letters. Here Y is considered as vowel. Sometimes Y acts as a consonant and sometimes it acts as a vowel. In this case, it is act as a vowel. Now, let's read this word. Oil, coin, boy, toy. Did you hear oi sound in these words? Yes. So, this oi sound is made by the two vowel letters, that is OI and OY. Whenever you find these two vowel letters together, you will read it as oi. Let's read it once again. Oi as in oil, oi as in coin. Now here OY also have the same sound. It also sounds as oi. Oi as in boy, oi as in toy. Here are some more examples I have given. Let's read these words also. Oil, it's boil. Coin, oil. Here annoy, employ, joy. So this is all about oi sound. OI and OY are the vowel letters. When these two letters are put together, they make oi sound. So yes, this is all about diphthong. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you feel the same, then please like, subscribe and share.